Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best wooden shape sorter for toddlers, the Melissa and Doug Shape Sorting Cube. If you're looking for a classic, high-quality toy that encourages early learning and hands-on play, this one deserves your attention. The Melissa and Doug Shape Sorting Cube is crafted from solid wood, giving it a sturdy and durable feel that will last through years of play. Measuring about 6 inches on each side, it's perfectly sized for little hands to grasp and explore. The natural wood finish is smooth, and the design features a slide-off lid that keeps all the colorful shapes securely inside when your child isn't playing with it. Inside the cube, you'll find 12 chunky, vibrantly colored shapes, each with rounded edges for safety and ease of handling. These shapes range from simple ones like circles and squares to more complex shapes, providing a variety of challenges to engage your toddler as they develop. The idea is simple but timeless. Each shape fits through a corresponding hole on the cube, so kids can practice matching shapes, colors, and develop their problem-solving skills as they figure out which piece goes where. What makes this shape sorter stand out is not only its educational value but also its tactile and auditory appeal. As children drop each shape through the matching hole, the shapes make a satisfying, clunk sound inside the wooden cube, adding an extra layer of sensory engagement that many toddlers find delightful. This toy promotes more than just shape and color recognition. It also helps develop fine motor skills as kids grasp, hold, and manipulate the pieces. The act of fitting each shape into its correct slot encourages hand-eye coordination and spatial awareness. Beyond the educational benefits, it also provides an opportunity for screen-free, imaginative play, which is essential for early childhood development. The slide-off lid allows for easy retrieval of the shapes, so your child can start the sorting game over again and again. The durable wooden construction means this toy can handle plenty of enthusiastic play sessions without showing signs of wear. Plus, Melissa and Doug's commitment to quality ensures the materials are safe and built to last, making it a gift that can be passed down through generations. In summary, the Melissa and Doug Shape Sorting Cube is a beautifully crafted, educational, and engaging toy that toddlers will love. It's designed to grow with your child's skills, making learning shapes and colors fun and interactive. Whether you're a parent, grandparent, or looking for the perfect gift, this shape sorter is a timeless choice that combines classic design with valuable developmental benefits. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest and detailed product insights. See you next time.